the hadith was talking about wudu, we apply it in the ghusl department too, because it's also a purification. So the individual says Bismillah, and then what does he do? And then the individual begins the washing of the body, cleanses the private parts first, because you're in a state of sexual defilement. So once you say Bismillah, you cleanse your private areas first. Once this is done, walhamdulillah, then the individual takes a complete wudu. After complete wudu, then you wash your entire body once. That suffices as a complete ghusl, walhamdulillah. It's simpler than you thought, yes or no? So I repeat, the individual says Bismillah. Obviously intention is in the heart. The place of intention is in the heart. He goes into the shower. If you ask him, brother, what are you doing in the shower? He would say, I am here to take a ghusl. The husband would say to the wife, when the wife asks, Salman, what are you doing in the bathroom? He would say, my wife, I am taking a ghusl. So intention, the place for it is in the heart, walhamdulillah. One says Bismillah, cleanses the private area, and after this, one takes a complete wudu. After this, one washes the entire body from the top to the bottom, walhamdulillah. Begin with the right hand side first, and then the left hand side. In matters of purification, in matters of goodness, we give preference to the right hand side, walhamdulillah. Someone might ask, when I'm cleansing the private area, etc., do I use my right hand or do I use my left hand? We say it's better to use your left hand. When you go to the toilet, you wash with what? You wash with the left hand. And here similarly, you are removing the filth down there. You were in a state of sexual defilement, removing all of this. Use your left hand. So that's the ghusl step by step from beginning till end. I repeat, number one, intention in the heart, and one says Bismillah. Then wash the private areas, cleanse all of those areas. Number three, then we take a fresh wudu. And lastly, number four, wash the entire body top to bottom, walhamdulillah. Every inch of the body must be washed, walhamdulillah. If, for example, the female, she has a lot of hair and she has a lot of plaits, etc., as long as she makes sure that the water reaches the roots of the hair, then it would suffice. She does not need to untie all of those buns, all of those knots, etc., the braids. All required is that water reaches the roots, walhamdulillah. So that was G, and G was for the ghusl. We move on, and H, the letter H for what? H is for? H is for hayd. H is for